What is happening, guys? Crypto down here, and in this video I'm showing you the blue wave strategy that I personally learned from the course from CryptoFace and watching Jason Casper. If you haven't checked those guys out, links in the description below. They're absolute legends on YouTube, probably one of the top people I recommend anyone who's new to trading to check out. They're absolutely amazing. So guys, check them out. This channel is all about everything you can do to try and become a trader full time, and all the mistakes and everything that you can possibly think of online that you can look at. I'm reviewing, I'm double checking, I'm seeing if the strategies work that people are talking about, and I'm showing you my results as well. This is probably without a doubt the most effective strategy that I've seen, and I've managed to make over $1,000 a day pretty consistently with it. I would say about 70% consistency, which is amazing. I haven't had a day where it's gone really red yet, mainly because I've been able to stop myself from holding those long-term losers. But yeah, guys, we all do it. We all make mistakes. This isn't a get rich quick strategy at all. You have to be patient and wait for these trades to come, but I guarantee you will find the trades when you watch this video, and I will show you how to find them right now. Let's go, let's get it. Let's have a look. All right, so today it is Wednesday. Literally, this is live from today. I did a quick live stream. If you want to watch live streams, follow my channel. I'll do some live streams every now and again to show you guys in action what I'm doing. These are just two trades that I took, and this is what happened, and this is how I found them and why I entered in the specific place I did. Right, so a couple of things. First, what I'm using indicator-wise is the Market Cipher B free version. I do recommend using Market Cipher B free version if you're a beginner, because it is the most cost-effective way. And you can test out everything that Market Cipher B paid version pretty much offers, minus a few extra features. But yeah, it gives you that opportunity to test it out for yourself first. So check that out. Under indicators, type in Market Cipher, and you will see Market Cipher B free. It's down here, and I've saved it, so it's just there. But yeah, check it out. What you'll get then is this simulation here. And the other indicator that I use is called IT Foundation, and it gives you this really nice bullish, bearish, bullish signals for the 5 minutes, and it also gives you the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, all the different time frames there, and also the EMA lineup. Also, if you're new to trading, this tells you exactly what period of time you're trading in, whether it's New York, London session, or yeah, whatever's happening, you can be guaranteed sure that you're matching yourself up with what's happening in the marketplace, and you can be taking the right cautions, because obviously things happen when markets open. That's just inevitable. All right, so what happened here, guys, is basically what we're looking for in the blue wave strategy, and this is one of the things CryptoFace talks about quite a bit, because it's part of Market Cipher strategy, and it's one of the main methods for finding entries with their tool. So what we did was we come along here, and we can see as we're coming up, I'm going to zoom out of this area, as we're coming up to this level of resistance, which by the way I marked quite a bit further back, but I could see we were coming up to this level of resistance here because I marked it on the higher time frames. We were seeing smaller and smaller highs as we were coming up, and of course we were getting higher lows. However, they were getting really small, and also the momentum waves were getting smaller. See, we were having a bigger one here, a slightly bigger one here, but then we started getting smaller ones here. And what we're looking for when we're finding these entries is to actually find the ones that are aligned with the money flow coming down. And so as you can see here, what I was looking for, okay, so we got money flow increasing. This is the green area here. Money flow was coming up. So we had this like spike up here. Great, money flow is still up. Even though we came down here, money flow is actually still looking good. No entry. I'm not looking to short or long right here. Money flow is coming down a little bit, but it continued to make a pretty steady curve. But what we can see is the momentum wave started getting really, really small. And as we come up here, we can see we have an indicator here. We didn't actually get a red dot, which usually that's the best indicator. However, what you can see though is it was a bear flag right here as well. So we got a hidden bearish divergence, and yeah, we've got smaller momentum waves happening here, and the money flow starting to sort of taper. And so this is where I did an entry just after I saw the drop happen. I entered in on that particular short, and money flow started to come down. This one, I must admit, I was not 100% confident. However, because the reason why I wasn't super confident is because it was a relatively decent uptrend up here. But what I could see was there was a few things happening. I ticked the boxes on, which was we had a relatively smaller increase of highs as we were coming up to this trend, and we were getting this print here, which gave me a better confidence that something was going to happen here. We were going to start to come down, and as you can see, we ended up doing that. So I was patiently following this. I set a very small stop loss, and my risk to reward was really good. That's another reason why I took the trade, because the risk was very, very low. I set my stop just around this previous high, and yeah, that was pretty easy. As we came down, we hit this level again that I'd marked earlier, and we started to come back up. But what I want to give you guys information about, and hopefully you will then use this for future, is that don't exit the trade as soon as you see like the candles go in the opposite direction towards your entry again. Check here at the money flow. Is the money flow actually starting to peak back up, and does it look like it will start to actually reverse? Here in this case, I could see it happening, and the money flow wasn't matching what was happening here. We were getting a bit of an increase, but nothing substantial. We came up, we hit that line, and we came back straight back down. We hit the EMA and we came back down. But as we came down to these levels here, what happened was, guys, we started creating a table, and we started bouncing off the 200 EMA, which is fairly suspected. Like, it's a very nice support level. And so we were seeing these momentum waves getting smaller. So we got a nice big one here, and then we got a smaller one. This is known as a trigger wave. But I didn't enter in here because I could see there was money flow going lower and lower and lower, and it didn't really give me the confidence that it was a good entry. However, we came up, we got a bit of a bump up here, and I thought, oh damn, we're out of the entry, we can't get in. But we came back down again to this level. We created a very similar trigger wave level, and I entered in for another long. So this was much more confluence. We were creating smaller trigger waves, and we came up for a long. And of course, what happened was we ended up reaching this previous support resistance level, and actually just rejected all the way down. And if you look at it and you think about it, it's kind of in a way suspected that that would happen. Because look where we see the EMA is coming closer and closer to the 200 EMA, and we can see it's getting weaker, and yeah, there was a lot of selling pressure around this level. So yeah, suspected. But those are the ways that I've found these entries so far, and this is how I find the entries, and then I've marked further entries down below here. So as we're coming down, this is one thing I want to mention, is that to the reasons not to enter into trades until you actually wait for confirmation, and how to check whether the confirmation is there, is look at the momentum waves. Are they getting thicker? Are they curving round? And if they are, of course, you've got a green dot here to tell you as well that potentially this is a bottom, but it's not a guaranteed indicator. Look at the money flow. Is the money flow starting to curve back up? In this case, it is. However, this momentum wave is actually fairly similar size to this one. So I'm not 100% confident on entering along just yet. I will wait for a bit longer, and don't worry, there's going to be loads of entries. Most people end up entering in because they think they're going to miss out on the entry. most of the time you don't miss out on the entry, and it's better to just wait. So I'm going to wait for this entry now, and hopefully something good will come up. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and follow the channel. It's a brand new channel. I'm new to trading, and everything on here is to help you guys to experience what a new trader is also learning, and I'll share the steps that I take, and yeah, how to generate a passive income through trading. Let's get it. In future videos, I want to show you guys a bit about the other channels that I'm watching and what I recommend in terms of different strategies on their channels, and testing out some of their strategies as well. Let's get it.